Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of downloading your images from Midjourney.com. First, navigate to the Midjourney website and log into your personal account. I am already signed in, so my generated images are visible here. To download a specific image like this one, simply click on the three dots and then select the Save Image button. You will see that the image has been saved successfully. You can open your Finder to verify that the file is downloaded and ready to use. It really is that simple to get your work onto your computer. If you want to grab a different image, just follow the same steps. Click the three dots and choose Save Image. It downloads instantly, and you can click the file to open it right away. That covers everything you need to know. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to explore the other tutorials in my Midjourney playlist. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.